Make your own natural skin tightening home remedy for wrinkles and sagging skin. Like everyone else, we like to create garden at home. We also know that there is nothing better than natural ingredients. And you can see that our turmeric plant has dried up. So this is the best time to harvest. We all use turmeric powder, but raw turmeric root is the most effective herb in ancient history. Whenever you think of an ancient remedy, raw turmeric is a vital ingredient there. If we talk about the effectiveness of raw turmeric for skin tightening, wrinkle and sagging skin, then the name of this natural ingredient come in first list. This widely used spice has curcumin, bioactive element and strong antioxidant properties which inhibits free radical production and hence controls aging by protecting cells from damage. Turmeric also helps stimulate new cell growth. So if we want to get beautiful younger looking skin naturally, then this ingredient must be added to our home remedies. We always want our remedy to work very quickly. But it is also true that natural remedies do not work very fast. But if you want natural beauty, these types of natural remedies will work best for your wrinkles and sagging skin on face. As we age, our skin begins to some noticeable signs of skin aging, like fine lines and wrinkles due to sun exposure, harsh weather and ultraviolet rays from the sun. So we want to make our remedy in such a way that it can cure those things. If you want natural ways to tighten loose saggy facial skin at home, then a healthy, balanced diet also be needed with this. You can also use organic turmeric powder for your face mask. We are extracting turmeric juice to get the most benefit here. If you are looking for some home remedies for anti-wrinkle purpose, then you have to use this remedy routinely for 2 weeks at least. We know there are many natural face masks on the market. Yet most of them use some chemical preservative to keep it for several months. So why don't we use the real thing naturally? When the real cause of any wrinkles are mainly moisturizing and hydration, then the herb we are going to use this time is coconut oil. Just keep in mind that you are using a good quality organic coconut oil as moisturizer to make this DIY anti-aging remedy great for dull and sagging skin. Here today we are going to use egg white. But those of you who are vegetarians can use aloe vera in this place. Basically, egg white contains vitamin A, which will reduce appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. If you want baby soft glowing skin with this anti-wrinkle remedies, then this ingredient has to be added. You can use this homemade remedy in nighttime to tighten loose skin naturally at home.